Ships are the lifeblood of our world. They carry almost everything we own, everything we use, everything we consume, yet we rarely see them or think about them. The Crimson Polaris was one such vessel, a ghost on the ocean horizon doing a vital job. She was a wood chip carrier, a type of bulk carrier built to move vast quantities of processed wood, nearly 200 meters long, riding low when fully laden. Operated from Japan, crewed by 21 sailors, Filipino and Chinese nationals. She sailed timber routes to industrial hubs like Japan, part of a complex global network. In August 2021, her voyage was meant to be ordinary, arrival at Hachinohe, on Honshu's northeastern coast. But approaching port is the most demanding phase. Shallow water, more traffic, and little room for error. The weather was not on her side. Strong winds shoved the massive ship off her intended course. She drifted into shallow water outside the breakwater. Then, contact. The hull met the seabed. The Crimson Polaris was stuck fast. Aground, her weight rested on a few points, a design never meant for this. Each wave twisted and bent the steel. They waited for high tide. Tugs stood ready to pull her free. It became a race against time and the elements. A hairline crack appeared near the midsection. Initial refloat attempts failed. The hull kept taking punishment. With grounding stresses and rising seas, a total structural failure grew increasingly likely. A routine arrival had become a major maritime incident. By early morning, the crack spread across the vessel. Then the ship broke in two. She was no longer one ship, but two drifting sections. All 21 crew were evacuated safely by the Japanese Coast Guard. The stern's fuel tanks were breached. Heavy fuel oil, dense, tar-like, began to leak. An oil slick quickly stretched several kilometers with wind and current. Responders encircled the slick with floating booms. Skimmers and absorbents worked to remove what they could. Despite efforts, some oil reached the coast. It smothers life. Plankton, fish, and seabirds, contaminates shores, and threatens local fisheries. Toxic compounds can persist, bioaccumulate, and pose long-term risks for wildlife and people. Bulk carriers are efficient at sea, but near ports they face shallow water, windage, and tight maneuvering. Fully loaded, they carry immense momentum and respond slowly to engine and rudder. GPS, radar, weather forecasting, technology helps, but cannot tame the sea. The ocean remains powerful and unpredictable. The safe evacuation of all 21 crew is a testament to the Japanese Coast Guard and drilled emergency procedures. We must keep improving ship design, port safety protocols, and rapid environmental response. Because the cost of failure is written in broken steel and spoiled coastlines. We rely on these giants, and we owe the sea, the crews, and our coasts our utmost care.